Merry Christmas, Virtudesk Pamilya. Very nice to see all of you guys at this great resort in Palawan. 2023 has been a very challenging year. We've had a lot of cancellations. Overall global economy has gotten worse. However, we are going through this time together as one. I know a lot of people lost jobs. I know a lot of people got hurt. At the same time, we want to make sure the company stays together, survives, and thrives. 2024 is going to be a challenging year. However, we are doing everything we can, make sure that we keep the same amount of benefits that we offer you. Your pay doesn't get cut. You still keep your clients. We keep bringing more revenue to the company to make sure that we are going to be providing jobs to you so your family has support. At the same time, gatherings like this will continue. Why? It's very important because we believe in the camaraderie that those gatherings give us. A year-end party, the summer con. Those gatherings are basically the backbone of Virtudesk family, the closeness of the company and developing the company culture. Because again, working as a virtual assistant is a lonely gig, and we understand this. OM Tima, myself, my team in the US, all the coaches, all the account managers are here to wish you Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And guys, again, enjoy your time today. Wishing your family great holiday season and see you all in 2024.